How does fat leave the body? Knowing this can really help when trying to lose weight. Some people think it just magically vanishes when you exercise. Other people think it comes out when you go to the bathroom or it gets burned off as energy. Well, a scientific law called the conservation of mass is that atoms cannot simply vanish. They change how they are arranged, but they do not vanish. So what do fat molecules become? Well, the chemical formula for average human fat is C55H1O4O6. That's a mixture of carbon, hydrogen, and oxygen atoms. A 2014 study by the University of South Wales published in the British Medical Journal shows exactly what happens to fat when it leaves the body. When we don't eat enough food to create the energy we need, the body starts breaking down fat for energy. As we move our bodies and inhale oxygen, a complex series of processes occurs that releases energy, resulting in the production of carbon dioxide and water. As you learned in a previous video, exercise and intermittent fasting, or not eating anything until mid-afternoon, creates HGH, human growth hormone, a hormone which breaks down fat when mixed with oxygen. For every 10 kilograms of fat, you have to inhale 29 kilograms of oxygen to help the hormones break down the fat. When you exert yourself physically, 84% of the fat is turned into and released as carbon dioxide, and 16% is turned into and leaves the body as water. That's right, fat leaves your body as you breathe. The heavier you breathe, the more fat you lose. And no, you cannot just sit there and do heavy breathing. That's called hyperventilating and you'll pass out. Sorry, you have to actually move your body. You cannot cheat the way you are designed. You must move your body in a way that naturally creates huffing and puffing. That, my friends, is how you burn fat. So, do whatever it takes to get yourself huffing and puffing, preferably on an empty stomach, not having eaten since yesterday. The heavier you're gasping for air, the more fat you're losing. So there you go. Eat low-calorie, raw vegan food and move your body in ways that make you huff and puff your way to a thinner, healthier life. Stay tuned to marcusnews.com for more great health tips and recipes.
Bye-bye!